bro. Oh, there.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
What's up?
Hello.
Yo, join me.
Okay, I'm back.
Nah, join me. Hurry, bro. Hurry, let's go. Nice one.
Bro, remember your...
Yeah, nah, that's
What? Okay, let's throw this thing.
KB, I'ma kill that guy. I'ma kill that guy, bro. You're what? I'ma kill you.
Oh, shit. I used to do that.
Okay, wait. Bro, hold the knife.
So, no way it's gonna get counter. Bro, we do not need...
Oh my god.
Bro, we don't...
Oh shoot! Oh hold on. Yeah. There's nothing new here. Yeah. Bro, hide him, please. Hide him. Bingoy, bakit ka dito? Okay, there's nothing. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing, bro.
Throw mo na lang ito. Bro, just throw this thing to the knee, bro. Just throw this thing.
You fell in my trap! Oh my god. My god. I mean, let's oil up, bro. Yeah. Yo, you're next gonna kill, bro. I'ma hide the body. Where is he? Bro, where the hell are you, bro? Okay.
I'm here.
I'm gonna kill... Pingoy! I-protect mo! No! Ah. Yo.
Bro, I'll do this.
Nah. Oh my god! Agad! Pingoy, please! Too long! Please, Pingoy! Please! Oh!
Just boot it. Just boot it.
Go, please!
Boot it there.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's okay, bro. That's okay.
You're not gonna suspect a thing. Bro, help!
Dude, this
Bro, this is gonna be okay. Wala na siya?
Okay, I'm pupush ko siya sa isang door.
What the hell?
Okay.
Ikaw help! Ikaw kaya! Bro, get inside! Oh my god, we survived! Yo! I'm not just...
Okay.
What? Bro, help! Help! My god. Pingoy!
Hold on. Alright. Hide ko na yung body. Hide the body.
Bro, help!
What you do?
Oh no, we're cooked. Bro, your hand, bro!
Okay na yan.
Yeah. We're just moving in, bro. Right. Right, we're just moving in.
Yep, nothing.
Successfully fell to my trap.
Okay, tingnan mo.
Help!
Angelica!
Bro, I can't get out! Oh, what's up?
So, kung sa'yo yun, saan yung body?
Bro, where is
Hindi
it?
dyan.
Are you go, bro? No way, he didn't suspect. Bro, I'm gonna protect. Hiding the body. You're hiding the body. Hurry, bro. Yeah, you can't go in.
I'm doing it outside.
Okay. No way he can't go in, bro. This is a chair. No way he can't.
Bro, I kinda hide the body outside.
Bro. Look, he's not gonna go in. He's not gonna go in.
Kasi, guess mo saan ko nalagay yung body?
Nasa bush.
Di ba? Hindi.
Bro, hold up. Bro, no way, dude.
Bro, come here. Okay, go outside.
Oh, yo! Get Yo, what?
Yeah,
Yeah.
where's the body at? I currently do not know where's the body at.
Here.
Ay, bakit mo na ano?
Ah! Oh my god. Wait.
Ganito mo, wag mo kami.
I just throw a body until I kill him. Now he become a body.
Lagayin ko dito.
Bro, shut up.
Pa. Hindi. Hindi, tito. Hindi ako. Tada! Walang YouTube yan. Ay, YouTube mo.
No! Oh my god! Bro, we gotta